Santos here of Potentials.com sa Ingat Our channel. So, let's continue studying the book of John Gray, What Your Mother Couldn't Tell You and Your Father Didn't Know. So, ang lesson natin is the second reaction ng women to problems. So, una is she will talk about the problems. Number two, sharing feelings about the problem. So, yan, feelings naman po, ano. When a woman shares her feelings about a problem that she wants solved, a man quite often feels controlled. The more emotional she gets, the more he feels it has to do what she wants in order to please her. So, parang iniisip natin, yung man natin should give us the solution to the problem. Her need is no longer a request, but a demand. His support is no longer a choice or a gift, but an obligation. When she shares her feelings along with the request, it sounds to him like that he has to do what she wants or she'll remains unhappy. So, parang obligation, parang forced to do it, ano. Anyway, sharing feelings and stating a request at the same time makes it much more difficult for men to listen. So, nahihirapan daw po yung partner natin pagka ganun. When a woman needs to talk to feel heard and understood, she should talk about her feelings. But if she wants his assistance, is immediately solving her problem, she shouldn't mix it with strong feeling. It's very important men to understand the clear distinction between what she wants, when she wants solution, and when she just wants to be understood. So, dapat pala sinasabi natin kung gusto natin immediate solution, we have to be honest, hindi lang yung takot, catch attention tayo, di ba, pa-demure or acting as if. So, we have to be, honest na we want, kailangan na to ngayon, hindi lang ito just feeling to be appreciated or wanted, diba? If a woman wants a man to learn how to listen patiently to her feelings without trying to offer solution, it's important to leave her feelings out when she is really seeking a solution. So, dapat pala honest nga tayo kung ang gusto natin is solution and not being understood. Kasi when you want to be understood po, diba, you just want to be appreciated. Pero pag if you want an immediate solution, ngayon na po, diba? It's now, it's urgent. So sabi niya, nung wife niya wanted to eat, instead of sharing her feelings, she focused on assisting me in solving the problem. So hindi na po siya nagpaligoy-ligoy when Miss Bonnie asked na, let's eat already kasi I'm hungry already sa kakaikot-ikot natin, diba? Instead of intensifying her emotions, she minimized them enough to speak in a casual, easygoing manner. I'm starting to feel hungry. Maybe we should stop and have lunch. So yan, being honest talaga is important, friend, na kung ang kailangan natin solution, we have to verbalize na solution ang kailangan natin and not being understood. Kasi when we want to be understood, parang we just want to be nurtured or you want to be naughty. So, iba po yun, di ba? Yung, kumbaga, KSP tayo or kulang sa pansin. It's different when we now want a solution. Mahirap po talaga kami intindihin. No? Minsan we want solution. Minsan we want understanding or nurturance or attention po. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Please subscribe to our channel, mga viewers.